Water is essential for life. But have you ever wondered what is behind such a simple action? How do we obtain drinkable water of quality? Who are those women and men who are collaborating? And what kind of technologies are they using, allowing us to drink a water that is safe for our health? Let's discover the UNESCO Chair, dedicated to membrane sciences applied to the environment, called SIMEV. Based in the heart of the campus Biochemistry cluster of the University of Montpellier, the SIMEV Chair is committed since 2004 to provide concrete solutions to the problems access to drinkable water in southern countries. It supports the study and the implementation of collaborative projects in response to the need expressed by the population. SIMEV is involved in teaching and sharing knowledge around membrane technologies. The Chair is composed by a research center, the European Institute of Membranes, and is supervised by an institution training engineers, ENSCM. They gather in Montpellier the best experts in the field of membrane technologies. Membranes are filters. They are used to separate, remove molecules or pollutants from water. Each project starts in the laboratory. Researchers have state-of-the-art and equipment for modeling, to identify, control, characterize, and design membranes which are adapted to field restrictions. Once this step is completed, a prototype water treatment station has to be built. This is the job of the Design and Prototyping Workshop. It is composed by a technical team which designs, in collaboration with researchers, a multitude of homemade, customized machined pieces. The workshop has tools and software for computer design, steel making, surface treatment, and machining of complex parts. The workshop has created a large number of equipment used, for example, to manufacture membrane materials by thin layer disposition to degrade pharmaceutical pollutant contained in water. It made possible the full design and manufacturing of pilot stations to desalinize seawater by membrane distillation, to decontaminate wastewater by ultrafiltration or electrolysis, to filter effluents from ceramic industry, to make energy from wastewater using bioreactors. It is thanks to this workshop and the strong relationship forged with industrial partners that SIMEV was able to develop a remarkable project on the ground. 9 years ago in Senegal, numerous kiosks has been installed to treat water too fluorinated and salty, causing numerous of diseases. In Morocco, the implementation of water treatment station removing nitrates autonomous in energy was inaugurated within high school. It provides drinkable water to students and neighborhood, but also electricity provided by solar panels. Specific courses in school have trained more than 5,000 people around the world, allowing knowledge sharing and high-level water capacity building. By providing operational solutions to population, the UNESCO Chair SIMEV contributes in a very pragmatic way to the achievement of several of the UN SDGs. By intervening upstream, it helps preventing local conflicts related to water.